Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss some more questions on recurrence relation. Okay. Let me start from here. See this. Same like last lecture. Okay. See this question. Question number 3. Given recurrence relation an equal to 2an minus 1 minus an minus 2. And here condition मौजूद. a0 equal to 4, a1 equal to 10. These are the conditions. Okay. How to solve? See this. This one 2an minus 1 and minus an minus 2 take left side SR. Here an minus 2an minus 1 and here minus मौजूद, so this will be plus here. Plus an minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation 1. And this is of degree 2. Degree 2. So how to write characteristic equation? Characteristic equation is, you will write this way. See this. An you will write r square because degree 2. An minus 1 you will write this r power 1. An minus 2 you will write this 1. Okay. This an yani r square and minus 2an minus 1 2 an minus 1 yani r yani 2r. And this one an minus 2 is 1 and this equal to 0. Okay. So this is characteristic equation. So after that you will solve it. So here the solution of this characteristic equation, here by general kanun, by general rule. You know the general rule? General rule this one. Here r square minus 2r plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. How to write? What is the general rule? General rule is this: r equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac and divided by all divided by 2. Okay. Where is c here? C hada. Hada c. Hada c. Hada b. This is b. Hada a. Here. This is a. A here wahid. B here itne. And C here wahid. Okay, so put here. R equal to minus. B means minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus under root b terbiya yani b is minus 2 terbiya. Here minus 4 darb a yani y and darb c yani y. Okay. Divided by 2 multiply a yani 1. This one. So how much this is equal to r equal to here minus and minus the 2 plus minus here इधर सालिब 2 तरबिया यानी अरबा here minus 4 darb 1 यानी 4 divided by 2 darb 1 यानी 2. Okay. Look here r equal to come r equal to 2 here plus and minus other coming 0 4 minus 4 यानी 0 other 0 0 divided by 2. So now look, find r1. R1 equal to, first you take this, here 2 sign plus and minus, so I will still plus 2 plus 0 2 equal to come 2 or 2 otherwise. Okay. Number 2 r2. Second solution 2 and here maujood solid. Okay, solid cipher or 2 is equal to again 2 or 2. This is 1. Okay. R1 wahid and R2 wahid. Same. Mafi mukhtalif. This is general kanun. Okay. This is general kanun. And what is Tahleel factor kanun? Factor you will find this way. See this. R1 and here R2 is equal to 0. So this is factor kanun. कम मौजूद هذا वाहिद वाहिद यानी this वाहिद here ना मौजूद सालिब इतने v यानी सालिब इतने नहीं है. Now look, take this wahid, break in two numbers. So -1 and the -1. Come, -1 the -1 यानी this 1 and -1 jama -1. Come, -2. It means hada sir -1 and hada -1 sir. -1 here and -1 here is equal to 0. And here R1 -1 equal to 0. And from here R2 -1 equal to 0. From here R1 equal to 1 and from here R2 equal to 1. R1 and 1 R2 1 same. Okay. So this is Tahleel factor method and this is by general kanun. Okay, so you can use anyone. Sometimes this factor kanun not be useful, then you use general kanun. You can use anyone to find R. Okay, so R equal to two numbers that is same. Is it clear? R equal to two numbers. R1 equal to 1 and R2 equal to 1. Right? By using this general rule. R1 and R2 same. This is 1. Okay. Any problem up to here? Any question? Okay, no problem. So now look. Last picture I told you when R1 and R2 same, how to write solution? The solution is write like this: An equal to, because here this same 1, R1 and R2 same, maafi mukhtalif. You will write An equal to A plus NV. Then here R yani wahid power N. Okay? This is the solution. Right? After that, look here. Here maujood two conditions. A0 equal to 4. And here A1 equal to 10. Use these two conditions here in this solution. Okay? Use here. First use A0 yani n equal to 0. Rather, here n equal to 0. This A0 equal to A. This n ना मौजूद है n0. A plus 0 b and here 1 power n yani 0. Okay. Look here. A0 means A0 मौजूद here. A0 means 4 rather. And here 0 dar b yani 0 plus and 1 power 0 yani 1. बागी कम बागी A. Here A is 4. Now use condition 2. Using this A1 Isavi Asara. So A1 yani n Isavi 1. So here n Isavi 1. A1 4 plus 1b and 3 power 1. Okay. So now look. A1 equal to 10. And here 4 plus A मौजूद here Arba. And here n Isavi 1 and b 3 power 1. Right? A1 equal to 10. 4 plus b equal to come 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Now put here this solution. This general solution is this one. An equal to A means 4 and B means 6. A plus n b yani 4 plus n 6 and 1 power n this one. Okay. And this 1 power any number is 1. Okay. So other class 1 4 plus n 6. Right. Is it clear? Rahman. Yes, Mustafa. This is same like last lecture. Last lecture I solved many questions. 3 or 4 questions I have solved. Same like that this one. Now come to chapter number 7. Generating function. Now here chapter number 7 is generating function. Generating function. Look here. Generating function for the sequence. This is sequence. Generating function for this sequence is the infinite series. This one. This is the generating function. Gx is how we have it. Okay. This is generating function. A summation k from 0 to infinity. Ak x power k. This generating function. Right? Generating function. Let me explain here. If you have this module, sequence module, this is sequence. This is called sequence. Sequence this. A here k. Okay. How to write generating function? Generating function. We will write like that. Generating function gx. This is called generating function gx. Generating function gx. For this sequence, you will write this way. For the summation, sum, yani jama, plus. They start from k. K start from 0. Okay. K start from 0 like that. K start from 0 to infinity. K start from 0 to infinity. Okay. And here this AK, this sequence AK here, AK here, okay, and then x power k. This way. This is generating function, right? If you open this generating function, what will you get? You will get this. Take this first. Start from here. K is always 0. So here come K is always 0, yani A0, and here x power 0. Right? A0 and x power 0. For K is always 0. And by then this sign, this symbol, yani symbol by then K is always 0 and by then plus. By then K is always Wahid. When K is Wahid, then what will be here? K Wahid. X power Wahid. This way. Oval seal K is 0. Then Zaid. This symbol, yani summation, yani Zaid. Then seal K is 1. A1 X power 1. And then plus again K is 2. Yani A2 X power 2. And plus again K is 3. Yani A3 X power 3. And plus K is 4. Plus K is 5, plus K is 6, plus K is 7, plus to where? Up to here, up to infinity. K is infinity. So up to this way. Infinity. K is 0, Zai. K is 1, Zai. K is 2, Zai. K is 3, Zai. K is 4, Zai. Up to where? Up to infinity. This infinity. generating function, if here sequence is this AK, the AK sequence, then you will write generating function this way. Generating function gx यानी हाँ, right? You understand this? Sequence hada AK in this generating function यानी gx this way, right? Come to the table. See the table here. You have to remember this table. See, if this sequence hada, if hada AK, then AK मौजूद. If this AK इसावी वाहिद, this one वाहिद, यानी AK इसावी वाहिद here, वाहिद. كيف اكتب generating function gx? gx this way. वाहिद ala 1 minus x. So this way, right? It means what? Let me write here. AK मौजूद here. Suppose AK मौजूद here वाहिद. AK मौजूद here. But it means what? AK इसावी कम, AK इसावी वाहिद, आधा AK इसावी वाहिद. So كيف اكتب generating function? Generating function gx اكتب كذا this way. From 0 to infinity. Okay, and here now to AK, and here x power a. This is equal to what? A from 0 to infinity. AK मौजूद, AK कम ही है, AK इसावी वाहिद, here वाहिद, and that x power a. And बादेन हादा, you take कुल्लो terms जमा, then आखिर इजी हादा, जमा हादा, वाहिद आला 1 minus x. You have to remember this. So if this AK इसावी वाहिद, then this gx इसावी हादा. You have to remember this table. Understand this? Okay. Now look here. Number 2. Now see number 2. If this AK yani hada. If AK is a number, any number, suppose C. It means what? It means this. AK yusawi C. Rakam hakiki. How to write gx? Gx you will write this way. A from 0 to infinity. This one. AK yani C. AK hina is AK. AK yani C here. X power K. So other sum kullo terms. If you take Zayed kullo, you will get this one. C ala 1 minus x. So you have to remember. If AK hada C, yani this AK C मौजूद, then this gx generating function is walatul hada C ala 1 minus x. Right? If this C is wahid, if C is wahid here, C wahid, hina is wahid ala 1 minus x. If C hina मौजूद khamsa, hina is khamsa ala 1 minus x. C yusawi talata, if talata, then gx come talata ala 1 minus x, like that. Right? Yes. Now see here table. Same way. If AK मुख्तलिफ, then gx generating function. So if AK here, if आता मौजूद C, constant number, any number, यानी AK इसावी number, right? So if you write this, one more term, let me explain here. If you write this way, this bracket, If you write this way, this bracket, then this is called sequence. And here this AK, this one, this AK is called general term. Other called general term. Okay. If you write in this bracket, this is called sequence. This AK is called here general term. Right. Now come to the table again. If you remember this table, then the generating function very easy, very simple. Now look, if sequence AK is this, आधा A, यानी this AK यसावी कम A, and this generating function GX यसावी आधा X साला वाहिद नाकिस X दिया GX equal to X divided by 1 minus X whole square. Now look, AK आधा sequence K plus 1, यानी this general term K plus 1. K plus 1, the generating function is 1 divided by 1 minus X whole square. You have to remember all the generating functions. Sequence this K darb K plus 1, यानी general term हाँ था AK K darb K plus 1. Generating function write this way 2x dx equal to for this sequence K plus 1, generating function is 2x divided by 1 minus x power 3 plus 1. Then if sequence is this r power k, see here r power k, this r is real number, rakam hakiki. R is rakam hakiki. Okay, r power k यानी this 5 power k, 6 power k, like that. Okay, here the general term ak means r power k. And how to write this generating function? Gx equal to wahid ala 1 minus c r hina 1 minus rx. If this r is 6 here, sitta, then sitta is hina. R يساوي هذا 5 5 يجي هنا. Right? So if R 5 then 5 يجي here. If R 6 then 6 يجي here. مكان R, right? R power k यानी 5 power k, 6 k, 7 power k, 7 power k, like that. So generating function you will write this way. Gx equal to 1 upon 1 minus rx. Now look one by one. See the question. Just remember the table and see this question. Example. Find the generating function. Generating function yani gx of the following sequence. Sequence this. See this. Sequence talata. Okay. Which kanun use here? Sequence talata. This rakam take real number. So lihada use this number 2. This one. Sequence C यानी C युसावी तलाता ही C युसावी तलाता. F to generating function. Generating function took this. Dx equal to hina is C. C divided by 1 minus x. Look here. Number 1. AK युसावी तलाता हादा तलाता. Generating function AK यानी AK hina is hina A AK nearest power k युसावी कम C युसाला तो hina is तलाता. C divided by 1 minus x. Here C yusawi talata. This one. Okay or not? Conclusion here. That's very good. Now come to, let me write these questions here. 3k plus 1 and 2 power k. If sequence is this, sequence is here C and gx, f of gx generating function, gx equal to f of this C here and divided by 1 minus x this way, right? So if here sequence मौजूद ही ना तलाता, C उसावी P ना मौजूद तलाता, this is option A तलाता, f of gx, gx equal to C हारा, C come here, तलाता, C मकान here, means तलाता here, minus x here, our answer. This is generating function, right? Now look question number B. Question number B, if this one sequence हारा a plus 1, क्या है generating function x equal to वाहिद आला 1 minus x coming area. See, if sequence is this k plus 1 मौजूद here in the table, you can see the table. कानून sequence k plus 1 here मौजूद. See this sequence here k plus 1, यानी general term k plus 1, then gx कम हादा कानून this 1 upon 1 minus x whole square. This one number B is कानून. Look number C. Number C is what? 2 power k. 2 power k यानी this. Number 6. 2 power k यानी this r power k. 2 power k, use this one gx. अभी वाही डाला 1 minus rx. Right? Use this one here. 2 power k. It means what? Here r is 2. What is the rule? dx equal to वाही डाला 1 minus rx. 1 minus rx यानी r easy ही ना. Easy here. 2 power k यानी r is 2. So here easy. You know this gx equal to 1 divided by 1 minus rx. This one here is r. See 2 power k here. 2 power k यानी r. R is here. 2x. Right? Yes, 100%. Mustafa, 100%. Yeah, that's very simple. You have to write. You have to remember the table only. Nothing here. You remember the table. Okay. Come to the next question. See this example. Find the generating functions for a sequence. Sequence this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many 1? Some Kullo terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms. See this question here. Sequence is this 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. How many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come Kullo. 5. remember 5, Mafi infinity, only 5 terms. Okay, so you have to write only 5 terms. Right. Generating function you have to write this way. A is equal to, you have to start from here. A from 0 to come 4. 0 to 4 come terms. See, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 4, 5. 0 to 4 yani 5. This is here 1. 1 yani hada 1 and here x power k is equal to what? If you take k is 0, k is 0 then hada 1 k hina mawjood. K is 0 yani x power 0. Badin Zaid. See this. Zaid k is wahid yani hada 1 wahid x power wahid and plus k is 2 yani 1 x power 2 and plus k is 3 yani 1 x power 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And k is 4 yani 1 x power 4. Okay. Stop here. هذا ما في infinity, هذا 4 because هنا بس 4 terms 5 terms only. We start from 0. أول صفر بعدين واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة كم كله؟ صفر واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة 5 terms. 0 to 4 يعني 5. هذا بس 5. Stop here. So this is equal to what? x power 0 yani 1. So هنا باقي 1 plus هذا 1 ضرب x يعني x plus 1 ضرب x تربيع يعني x تربيع plus هذا 1 ضرب x power 3 يعني x power 3 plus 1 ضرب x power 4 يعني x power 4. So هذا بس هذا gx. You understand or not? Only 5 terms. See this here. Understand? Yes. Now, see this question. Since is only 5 terms here, then you will take only 5. See from 0 to 4. Not like this. See here infinity mawjood. Infinity. Below gx generating function start from 0 to infinity. But here not 0 to infinity. Here only terms hada. Not infinity terms. So only khamsa terms. You start from 0 to 4. Okay? Then open. Then you will get this. Now see this one. See this question. So this find the generating function of the sequence 2 plus 5 power k. How to write 2 plus 5 power k? See, let me explain here this. Your sequence module this 2 plus 5 power k. Yani hada ak. Hada come in k, right? Generating function, you will write this all the time. Gx equal to k start from 0 to infinity. Okay? And here a k. And here x power k is equal to what? K from 0 to infinity. ak यानी हाँ द कम इन 2 plus 5 power k x power k. Now distribute this here. It's equal to k from 0 to infinity. Take this 2 and this x power k. 2 with this and this 5 power k with this. Okay, distribute. And here plus module. Take this k from 0 to infinity. And here 5 power k. Here x power k. Now look, how to write here sum of this. See, how the c. This is only number here 2. Can you see how to write generating function for c? 2 इतने नाला 1 minus x هذا بعدين هنا plus. What is this? هذا 5 power k يعني هذا r. هذا r. 5 power k يعني r. How to write? 1 divided by 1 minus rx. r yani 5 x هذا answer. Understand this? You can understand direct here. You can see direct here. Here module 2 plus 5 power k. gx क्या है तो gx equal to other number रकम हकीकी यानी c यानी this one 2 upon 1 minus x. Look in the table. c ala 1 minus x. बाद में plus module. Okay. This is 5 power k यानी r power k मौजूद then क्या generating function वाहिद आला 1 minus rx r यानी हिना हमसा x हमारा आंसर. Correct. Same thing. Look here. Here I have written like definition. Here I have written like definition. Okay. Here same thing. This one. Pina 2 रकम हकीकी मौजूद. So this way. C यानी C. Here r power k यानी use this r power k. Right. Here same thing written 2 divided by 1 minus x and 1 divided by 1 minus rx r यानी 5x. Okay. Now see this example. Find the generating functions for the sequence minus 7 plus 3k. Minus 7 plus 3k. Okay. See k module here in the table. K. Module. So एक हमारा sequence k generating function come x ala 1 minus x power 2 for the k. So if here question is this. Minus 7 sequence this minus 7 plus 3k. Okay. see the sequence here. Sequence this -7 plus lambda k. And how to write gx, generating function gx equal to see this. Also hada -7 रकम हकीकी यानी c, रकम हकीकी यानी c यानी c आला 1 माइनस एक आधा प्लस ना मौजूद हदा तलाता अंदर के. हाउ टू राइट जनरेशन फॉर के यानी x आला 1 माइनस x तरबिया मौजूद इन द टेबल. इसके दिस इज फॉर के, दिस इज फॉर के. ये तलाता दर यानी आप this here. -7 यानी रकम हकीकी c. For the sequence -7, generating function is -7 आला 1 minus x. प्लस मौजूद here, प्लस मौजूद here, so प्लस here. ये तलाता के यानी तलाता दर के, तो सीक्वेंस फॉर के, जनरेटिंग फंक्शन फॉर के यानी x upon 1 minus x square. Right? A यानी this here मौजूद in the table. A यानी this के sequence के then generating function here x divided by 1 minus x whole square. And तलाता दर यानी तलाता दर, इसमें तलाता दर भी ना. Right? It's very simple. You have to remember the table. You will write very easily. Okay? Now see this one. Example. Find the generating function. Generating function यानी gx for the sequence. This one, this sequence. You know, gx for k is hada. Gx for k is this. Gx for k. Generating function for k is this. X upon 1 minus x whole square. मौजूद in the table. यहाँ मौजूद सालिब here. हदा वाहिद रकम हकीकी. वाहिद यानी वाहिद ही ना. वाहिद अला 1 minus x. Gx for this. It is very simple. Gx equal to this. Here write like definition. k ही ना k minus 1 x power k. बाद में distribute हदा. बाद में हदा k यानी हदा वाहिद यानी हदा. You understand this? Any problem? Here. Yes, you can write direct. If you remember the rule, you write direct. No problem. Okay. Remember the rule, you write direct. Too much clear. Okay. Now, this example. You can do same way. You have to remember the table. Find the generating functions for the sequence. For the sequence is k plus 1. In the table मौजूद k plus 1 then k फुक्तुब generating function. बाद हिना मौजूद सालिब भी हिना. And हिना कम सालिब तलाता पावर k यानी हदा सालिब तलाता पावर k यानी r इसावी सालिब तलाता हदा r. This is r. r सालिब तलाता. मकान r इजी हिना सालिब तलाता हिना यानी मौजब तलाता. here. And for k plus 1, k plus 1, this one मौजूद in the table. See this. और this k plus 1 generating function मौजूद है in the table. ना माइनस माइनस तलाता पावर k यानी r पावर k is the root. r power k यानी 1 आला 1 minus rx. This will be 1 upon 1 minus r come here, r salib talata, so talata hina x. This salib and this salib mojab, so hina iji 1 plus talata x, mojab talata x. Right? So you have to remember the table. Table remember, and this generating function very simple. So remember this table. Okay? Remember this table. Right? Remember this table. Today I will stop here. Next lecture I will discuss opposite flux. If gx मौजूद then k पुख्तुब sequence ak. Opposite यानी x. Yom sequence मौजूद then k पुख्तुब gx generating function. Next lecture gx मौजूद, you have to write sequence opposite flux. Right? So if you remember this table, then no problem. You have to remember the table. Today I will stop here. Any question, then ask me.